guess when it's pressed out. That's something like it done grew back a lot. Oh, wow. Thank you. She's so kind, y'all. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I just waited in. My cousin braided my hair for me. You probably saw in the previous clip of me getting my hair braided. Look at your girl. Your girl got some length, okay? We got a little length. Okay. I know I'm gonna have to get my ends clipped. Y'all see my tree? Ah, look at my tree, y'all. Look at the tree. It looks so good. So, I just got my hair braided. And I actually just got in. And I picked up these items while I was at the store. After I took some items back so that we can finish up the kitchen and do the bedroom. And then we will be done. Okay? This room is under construction in terms of final layout. But we're going to get to it. Yeah, we about to start back up tonight. It looks very dark outside. It's 5:48. So what I'm going to do is shower and then get my bedroom together. Change the bedding to fit the theme. And then do the kitchen as well tonight. And hopefully the apartment will be done with decor. I'm excited. I'm so excited.
In that situation, I had to create boundaries for myself, which leads me to my next lesson, is that boundaries is a form of self-care. I'm a person that didn't used to have any boundaries. I understand myself or where that came from, but I've learned actually more recently in my 30s how important it is to have boundaries. A lot of us learned this a lot earlier in life. I learned it and taught myself the hard way a little bit later, but no is a complete sentence. I don't know if we got to get deeper on this one because I feel like it's pretty straightforward, but that is a huge lesson that I have learned.